Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Oh, I'm so excited to put this on my lips right now. My lips are so dry and uncomfortable. It feels uncomfortable even just talking. That's how dry my lips are. So good thing I have the Patrick Ta Softening Lip Mask that I got in my November 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is in the shade She's Juicy. It retails for $22, which I guess is, it's a little bit more expensive than the lip masks that are most popular on the market, I'd say. But I do still think $22 is expensive for any makeup product, really. But Patrick Ta is a high-end brand, and I'm so excited to be able to try out another Patrick Ta beauty product. So it's cruelty-free, and it has nourishing ingredients in it, like vegan lanolin. Wow, this has 5 stars on the Ipsy app, and so many reviews. That is very exciting. I love the packaging here. Very beautiful packaging on the product itself. And I wonder if this has a scent. Oh, wow. It actually smells minty. Okay, I'm very curious what the texture is going to be like. It's like a balm texture, maybe a little bit more jelly creamy than a balm texture, but it's not a super soft mask texture either. And I think this is just going to be a totally clear shade. And let's see how it is. Oh yeah, such a nice minty smell, like a very sweet creme de menthe. Is that how? That's definitely not how it's pronounced, but that's what it smells like to me. Oh, I love it. It's the type of formula that I just keep dipping my finger back in to pick up more and more. But I'm really liking it. I think it does have a slightly cooling feeling on the lips too. It's very slight, but maybe that's from the mint. But oh yes, it's immediately completely moisturizing on my lips that were so dry. And it looks really pretty because it has a slight shine to it. Not as shiny as a gloss, but a little bit shinier than a lip balm. And totally clear color, but I think it really has helped to smooth out the lips and deeply hydrate. Get rid of any dryness, which I love. It's a great texture, kind of thick, so it feels like it's going to be long-lasting and truly long-lasting moisture in my lips as well. So I really like this. I'm so glad it was effective enough and it really worked to get rid of any dryness in my lips. And now my lips feel so comfortable, moisturized, and that's really what I was hoping for with this product. I use lip masks like this every morning and night as part of my skincare routine. So I'm really excited to incorporate this into my routine since it really did do exactly what I want my lip masks to do. So let me know if you've tried this out, if you think it's worth the hype, if you love it as much as it seems like I do and everyone else does. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.